My favorite part of working with Paperless Parts is the team.
You can tell from the top down, everybody cares. Everybody wants to make you better.
Very, very friendly. They're very outgoing. They're hardworking.
They're experts. They're knowledgeable. They're absolutely the reason Paperless Parts is successful.
I am a proponent of collaboration. The strongest team focused on a clear goal wins, and the opportunity to leverage insights and ideas from everywhere makes a huge difference.
I am no longer walking from office to office looking at piles and looking at incoming and speaking with our receptionist, and I am looking at it all right there live.
The ability for everybody to see the quote simultaneously, to chat, connect internally, the opportunity to connect with outside vendors, suppliers.
We're also working on our CMMC certification. The chat is compliant, and it's just nothing but positive feedback from our customers.
It's a big package, guys. You're not just buying Paperless Parts. You're buying their whole investment. You get a little piece of it, and it is so worth it to know that you are secure and you are following the rules, baby.
Our customers like Paperless Parts because it's quick.
Turning around quotes more quickly to increase competitiveness really hit home.
We were probably running 4, 5, 6 days. We've cut that almost in half.
They're able to just click on a link and place their orders. It gives them a little more autonomy on what to order.
I was the project manager when we implemented our ERP system. So when we started looking at Paperless Parts, I was having nightmare flashbacks, and I haven't regretted it since.
This was a really good starting point from a change management standpoint to adopt something that on the surface and invest in an ERP and have a smoother integration.
Continuing to implement technologies like Paperless Parts and integrating that in ERP systems to be at the forefront of information flow within your company and sharing that with the team helps you chart the path.
When I think about Paperless Parts and how it can be used in terms of growing the business, improving business results, that's where the analytics come into play. So it's data-driven decisions, data-driven analysis. We don't look at it as a cost estimating workbook or workbench. No, it's a team sport.
Favorite thing in the morning, I get up, open up the dashboard, I can see which estimator's working on what quotes, what stage they're in, if any are past due, what's coming up, things are on hold. It's a gold mine for knowledge of where our quotes sit.
It's very, very intuitive. It's very powerful. And I think we're just scratching the surface of what it can do for us in the future. So I'm really pleased, and I can stand here or sit here and tell anybody, you really ought to make the decision to go with Paperless Parts because of the people and because of the capabilities in the system.
For somebody, if they came to me and said, Paperless, what do you think? I'll tell them the truth. I was hesitant at first, but I wish I would have done it sooner. We would have been a year ahead of where we are now.
We need good shops. We need to conquer the world again in manufacturing, and we've got the tools to do it, guys. We definitely have the tools to do it.